Good morning, guys. It is June 8th, Tuesday, June 8th, 5 a.m. I've been sitting on the side of the road because, of course, the truck is down. The SCR system shows down, and the trailer brakes lock up. I have been sitting here since last night at 7:44 p.m. on the 7th of June. As you can tell here, you see how close I am. Right down on the line. Not even 2 feet off of the white line. Not even 2 feet off the white line. Loves out of Quartzsite. They couldn't get here because they were taken all night long. The cables, you can tell here, decided somehow by where the springs are up there, detached. The clasp came off. Took my electrical line and took it and was dragging it underneath my tires. Luckily, it didn't lock up the the electrical line, but it scraped it up to where, luckily, I have a spare set of cables. But my trailer tires are locked up now. I've been sitting here for almost 10 hours now. Another 44 minutes will be 10 hours that I've been sitting out on the road overnight, as you can tell, right on the side of the road. When it broke down and locked up. There was nothing I could do. Now I'm sitting here, don't know what to do. So I called my on-road, and the only people that I've really gotten any information from is from the nighttime planner or driver leader that is what we call ETC, extended coverage tech. Her name is Crystal. She's been calling me every hour to make sure that I'm okay. I've got my nephew. He's 18 years old. Just graduated high school in my truck. We're sitting here not even a foot and a half, 2 feet right of the white shoulder line. And we've been sitting here for, like I said, almost 10 hours straight. Now, they are needing to call a third service because the first service didn't come out, which was Love's out of Quartzsite. The second one was the Bozeman shop. I don't know what city, but apparently the technician got involved in an accident. So he's not going to be able to do the service. Kind of funny that it takes over 3.5 hours to tell us this. And so now they're looking for a third service. 10 hours. This is ridiculous. 10 hours. And what the repairs that I had to have that took me down for 2.5 days because it was the weekend. I couldn't have nothing done because the mechanic shop at our terminal was quote unquote short-staffed, and they decided they were going to take 2.5 days to find out that all my batteries are dead. It's funny that all my batteries are dead, all 4 of them. I just replaced my batteries a year ago, along with the alternator. And they say, well, it happens. It's kind of funny that it's happened within 1,000 to 2,000 miles shy of finishing my warranty, that all of these problems all of a sudden are happening, one thing after another, coming right out of the dealership. It's funny that all of a sudden I'm having these problems. I'm really kind of wondering, is the Kenworth dealerships actually setting most of us drivers up for failure when we have extended warranties and they can't even do their job right? And that when it comes to the end of a warranty, that they're going to make sure that there's going to be some catastrophic issues, there's going to be extra problems to cause us to have to pay extra out-of-pocket expenses, large amounts of expenses, things that are going to cause the truck to go down, where it's going to cause us to pay out-of-pocket because our warranty's up. I wonder, because it's kind of funny that this has happened coming out of the mechanic shop from a dealership. And when I brought it in, I never had any problems. Not one sign of the charging system going down. Not one sign of the SCR system for the depth system, that they believe that it could possibly be, this is what I'm thinking, it could possibly be either the intake sensor or the outtake sensor on that NOS sensor for the depth system, because overnight it went from a 4-hour D rate level 1 to a level 2 D rate, saying that it's in the limp home mode, and then it went back to the regular 4-hour mode, which means that it's going in and out of its issues. I think something's up with that. That sounds more like a sensors are going wrong. But it's just miraculous that all of this happened right when my extended warranty is being up, close to being up. And then with the locking of the trailer tires, it's all kind of funny that all this stuff has happened all at once. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm going to be posting this, letting you guys know. Hopefully, I can get everything figured out, because, I'm not getting compensated for any of this. And I'm going to be talking to some people, because this is ridiculous. And just wanted to give you guys an update. Hopefully everything is good on it. I'll talk to you later. Trucker Jeff out. Have a nice day. Bye.